Hi, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the developer of VTube-STEP software. VTube-STEP software was released in March of 2010. V in VTube stands for virtual, as in virtual tube. And the word STEP describes VTube's original purpose in that it was to import solid model files from tube shapes that use the universal STEP format, converting tube data, then sending it out to tube bending machines, all without the user ever having to touch the data or key it in from prints or paper or drawing. However, since its release, the VTube design has evolved beyond just the input of step models. Now VTube can import data in a variety of formats, some of which are easier and quicker to import than even solid models. So I would like to give you a tour of the various import options that are available in VTube as of version 1.97, which was released in November of 2014. So let's get started. The first type of import I'm going to show you is the step file import, in which we import a step model. The step model itself is a model of static surfaces comprised of the tube and any other components around the tube. You can see there's no centerline data here. It's important for us to calculate the center line of the tube in order to calculate the bender data. We're performing a process here called collection. And collection is like measuring the tube with a mouse. We're selecting each of the straights in order, and then we're going to perform a calculation process that's going to find the center line. So that's how we import step models in VTube-STEP. Importing IGES files is just like importing step files. It's our general experience that IGES files work pretty well, but they tend not to be as accurate as step file geometry. However, the process of importing an IGES file is identical to importing a step file. VTube can also import what are called TubeCalc files, which is a legacy product that we no longer sell, but there are some customers who still have TubeCalc files, so we support the input. The file name extension is .tca. You can see that the import is simple and straightforward. Probably the most common file format in the industry is Supravision, which has a file name extension of $. You can see that we've imported a Supravision file here, and it's very simple, just like importing a TubeCalc file. Next, we're going to import an Excel file. Before importing an Excel file, you'll need to know what the unit value is inside of the data in the Excel file. Here you can see that I allow you to enter the diameter and the wall thickness. And we also ask that you select the leftmost upper cell in order to indicate where the first X value is. So that's how you import an Excel file. Next, I'm going to import the Solid Edge ExpressRoute text file. The text file contains the centerline geometry, and it also contains the bend radii. It does not contain the diameter or the wall thickness. That's something we supply once we bring the centerline into VTube. Now we'll import a CSM M3 DAF file, which is a bender file from the CSM bender. VTube can also import Laservision CSV spreadsheet files. These files contain the center line, the bend radii, the diameter, and the default tolerance value. And now we're going to import a SolidWorks 3D sketch centerline directly from SolidWorks, running on the same computer. First we enter the diameter, then we enter the wall thickness, and then we can press the Import from SolidWorks button. It's important that SolidWorks is running and has the part in 3D Sketch edit mode. So we're going to cancel first, and we're going to put this part into 3D Sketch edit mode. Go back to VTube and repeat the process by pushing Import and Import Now. So this concludes our video on VTube-STEP input options. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at michael.cohn@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Have a great day.